Here to stand here and document.
Okay.
If people talk to me and don't like it, I have no control over that.
Ill will or violence towards you guys. This is excellent. You took the bait, bro. You took the bait. You realize that? You took the bait like all the other idiots. Come on, don't do that. Don't do that. You got offended because somebody shined a flashlight.
Bring your hands on your back. Bring your hands on your back. Bring your hands on your back.
Why?
No one's saying he's going.
Three situations, one key lesson. Whether it's a debate over filming rights, an unjustified traffic stop, or a drug search, one thing remains clear. Understanding the law makes all the difference. The police have the right to enforce the law, but citizens also have the right to protect themselves. Knowing your rights doesn't just help you avoid trouble. It allows you to handle situations more wisely and calmly.
And they have to leave? Sir,
If you own a private business,
this is a public place. I'm not here to do any of this, sir. I'm just here to stand here and document.
okay.
If people talk to me and don't like it, I have no control over that. I'm not here. Why is the police here? What's going on? Why are the police here? That's weird. No, we're not.
It's a violation, Code of Federal Regulations, 39 CFR 232.1. I am trespassing you guys from the post office. Subsection E states that disorderly conduct or conduct which creates loud and unusual noise or impedes ingress or egress to the post office or otherwise obstructs the usual use of entrances, foyers, corridors, offices, elevators, stairways, and parking lots, or which otherwise tends to impede or disturb the public employees in the performance of their duties, or which otherwise impedes or disturbs the general public in transacting business or obtaining the services provided on property is prohibited. We received 3 calls for you guys being here, disturbing people, taking photos of them online. They're very uncomfortable. Some lady said you're filming her credit cards. I don't care about IDing you, but I am trespassing you. You guys
We
have to
haven't
leave.
done any of that.
I don't care. You need to leave.
This is a First Amendment protected activity.
Okay. Leave the post office. You got, I'm trespassing again? What's that?
Is it an unlawful order?
100%.
So we're going to be arrested.
I'm not enforcing 32 or 39 CFR, but I'm enforcing penal code, that 602 penal code. I'm trespassing you. You guys are receiving a lawful order to leave.
So I'll be arrested if I don't
Leave.
But I'm just asking. I'll leave.
That's
But
a full
I'll
beard. Yes, I'm asking you to leave.
be okay. Can I have your name and badge number, sir?
Oh yeah, I'm sorry. I'm Joe Gonzalez.
Sir.
Badge number 1305.
So you're trespassing me for First Amendment protected activity.
Please don't make this complicated. Yes, you have to leave. All right? I know you guys want me to respond.
No, I
yes.
don't, sir.
Well, it's very clear.
I
know
haven't
you guys
made
love
contact
this
with
and
every-
you enjoy this. I have no secrets, man.
I-
I'm
no.
Gonzalez. I'm a corporal. Here's my card. Badge number 1305. You need to leave. Okay?
Under the threat of arrest
Yes, leave.
for First Amendment protected activity.
Dude, you are violating Code of Federal Regulations. They want you to leave. You're causing a disturbance. So leave.
I haven't caused a disturbance, sir.
You need to leave.
Or else you're going to take me to jail.
No, I'm going to stand here and keep telling you to leave.
Am I going to jail if I don't leave?
Maybe I'll give you a citation eventually.
Sir, all I was doing is standing here, video recording.
Okay, cool.
People talk to me.
All right, we're not going
A tense confrontation. When the police and a citizen clash over the right to film in public, who really knows the law? A perfect example of exercising civil rights.
It's going to go back and forth. Nothing I say will satisfy what you want. I understand. I've done this a million times. Nothing against you. I have nothing against your rights, but you need to leave.
But people are harassing
Full
me, sir.
sunglasses.
I appreciate it,
You sound
sir.
really ashamed of who you actually are.
No, I'm not ashamed.
Well, then why are you completely covering your face and your
I
eyes?
wear this for religious purposes. This beard, it brings me
You
closer
turn
to
the camera
God.
around.
They do see it, sir. I wear this for religious purposes.
If you're not ashamed of it, why don't you show your
Sir,
your full
I'm engaging in
religious
First Amendment protected activity, sir. I'm not here to cause trouble. I haven't disturbed
beard?
any
No, Let's
business.
talk about the beard a little bit.
Sure, we can.
Okay.
I
Can
wear
you
it for.
show people on the camera your religious beard?
Why? So you can touch me or do something to me if I turn the camera
I'm
on?
recording too.
Sir,
I know, but I want to talk a little bit about your religious beard.
look. I can't grow
can you
a
show
beard
everyone
as
the-
good looking as yours, so I have to wear this. I can't grow a beard as good looking as yours, so I have to put a beard wig on. It brings me closer to God. I'm a Christian. So I'm here practicing my faith, and my First
I'm
Amendment
not
attack.
very religious. I just want to talk about your religious beard right now. Completely off topic, aside from everything else going on, and your cool glasses.
I appreciate it, sir.
But why are you ashamed to show everyone on the camera your religious beard?
Because I'm surrounded by a person with a gun, and I have to protect myself.
All right. If I go put my gun away and lock it up, will you talk to me about it?
Did I do
Will
something?
you turn your camera around and show people your beard? I'll go lock my gun up right now. If you'll turn your camera around and show
Well, actually, people have been harassing me, sir.
What's that?
People have been harassing me.
I'm sure, because they don't like being filmed with credit card information and their personal mail information.
But this is First Amendment protected activity. They don't have to like
I
it,
already
sir.
explained to you Code of Federal Regulations 39. I'm not going to enforce it, but I'm enforcing Penal Code 602 PC. You are being trespassed, so you need to leave.
But for what though, sir?
So how long do you want to do this? Do you want to do this for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, half an hour?
But why should I give up my constitutional rights because people are uncomfortable, sir? I was standing here. I didn't make contact with anybody. They made contact with me. And those people know it. So what if my skin color made them uncomfortable, sir?
I don't know.
Can I kick them out because his skin color I don't like, sir?
You're taking this completely out of context. I mean, you're just... Honestly, nothing I say will satisfy what you want. I already know.
I understand that, sir. But my civil liberties
Maybe
aren't...
it was your cool sunglasses that offended people.
My civil liberties aren't contingent on somebody's comfort.
Okay.
I'm not here to bother anybody. I've been over here the whole time. I walked that way and came back. I didn't make contact with anybody, sir.
I know the lady I talked to over there, she was really uncomfortable because you were filming her credit card information.
No, I wasn't.
And she was trying to report something and you got in her face and then you walked right in front
I didn't get in her face, sir.
Okay.
I didn't get in. I know better than that. You know I know better than to get in anybody's face. That would get me in trouble. I know better not to get in anyone's face. I'm not taking off my religious garb for uncomfort. Thank you. I've done nothing wrong, ma'am. I've just been standing here.
No, I know.
Yeah.
What's that?
I haven't done...
Okay.
If people are
Do you
uncomfortable,
want me to read Code of Federal Regulations to you again?
you can read it to me, but I haven't disturbed anybody.
All right.
Me
So,
existing and standing... Sir,
Okay, I'm not going to change my mind. You need to leave.
or else you're going to arrest me and take me to jail.
I'm going to sit here and keep telling you to leave. I would really like to not do that.
But my civil liberties go above your need.
But we're having a problem here. You're disturbing everyone in here. You're violating Code of Federal
Okay,
Regulations.
tell me what I did to disturb everyone, sir.
This is a report from staff here. This is a report from people. I didn't see it.
A report.
Yeah.
So I can call the police and report someone and they have to leave?
You don't
Sir.
If you own a private business.
This is a public place. I'm not here to do any of this, sir. I'm just here to stand here and document.
Okay.
If people talk to me and don't like it, I have no control over that. I'm not here for that. Actually, you know what? When you leave, I'll probably be gone in 10 minutes. I'm not going to be here all day.
Okay.
But the best thing you can do, explain to them. But they already know I haven't talked to anybody. I haven't disturbed anybody. If people are coming up to me, I have no control.
People called and said they were very disturbed by you.
I have no control
The way
over
you
that,
talk
sir.
to them.
They made contact with me.
Okay.
If they don't like the way I talk to them, they're free to walk away.
Is filming in public illegal? This video clearly shows how a citizen defends their rights against police opposition, regardless of who's right or wrong. It's a strong reminder of why knowing the law and standing up for our freedoms is so important.
But I haven't caused a disturbance. Ask them how.
It doesn't matter.
By standing here with the camera?
They told me. They work here. You need to leave.
They can't kick a member of the public out
I can.
for not committing a crime. I haven't committed a crime, sir.
I'm not saying you committed a crime.
Look, normally people are more angry and agitated. Like, I'm really reasonable, and I hope you appreciate that.
I do
But
appreciate
I
You're not
can't,
reasonable.
sir. I can't sleep tonight knowing I gave up my civil liberties. I'm giving up my civil liberties because they're uncomfortable. What if I was a man in a dress? That makes a lot of people uncomfortable, but that man has a right to be in a dress. Would you kick out a trans
It has
man?
nothing to do with the thought of a guy wearing a dress.
Right, we're talking about the comfort. Sir, a lot of things in here make me uncomfortable. Sir, I haven't done that.
Completely different.
I haven't done any of that, sir. That would be wrong if I did get credit card
Again, how long
information.
are we going to do this? How long are you going to stand there with cool sunglasses and your beard
Sir.
and film when I'm asking you to leave?
But why?
I get where this is going. You want me to arrest you. You want to keep
I don't want to
information-
arrest you. I want to be home tonight.
Okay.
But I'm not going to give up my civil liberties because they're uncomfortable.
Okay. But you are refusing to leave.
But I have no reason to leave.
I'm giving you a lawful order as a police officer, a sworn police officer in the state of California to leave the post office.
Or else you're going to take me to jail.
There's no or else. I'm giving you a lawful order.
I know,
Can't
but-
you just understand that I'm giving you a lawful order to leave?
But you can't do that. I'm in public, and I haven't
can't
committed.
do that.
You haven't committed.
I
I
trespass
haven't.
people all the time.
Right? They probably did something wrong though. Trespass.
I read you a whole section of Code of Federal Regulations.
I haven't violated any regulations, sir. Me standing here with the video camera doesn't violate regulations.
Okay, but you caused a disturbance.
No, I
You
haven't,
wanna-
sir.
Again, we're going to go in the circle again. You
But
wanna
sir,
keep going in
I
the circle?
haven't caused a disturbance.
Uh-huh.
I haven't caused a disturbance.
Well, based on
There's video cameras all
my
over here.
findings, based on everything that everyone has said to me, that's enough for me to substantiate you two caused a disturbance, and you guys need to leave.
Based on, sir, What did I
Based
do?
on 3 employees I talked to you, based on the 3 calls and the whole reason I'm here.
But what did I do to cause a disturbance?
I already explained that to you.
Standing here with a video camera, sir?
No, I never said I never said you standing here with video cameras disturbing anyone.
Do you have reasonable,
you guys are here.
articulate?
I knew you were here with the camera, and I didn't respond here. I had no issues with that. You can just stand here with the camera.
That's
not
what I've been
That's not
doing.
what
Yes,
we
it
do.
is, sir. I have the whole thing on video.
Okay, all right.
And my friend has a body
So,
cam.
let me ask you this: are you refusing to leave right now? Yes or no? It's a very simple question.
Okay, but if I don't leave, am I going to be arrested?
No, I'm asking you a question. Are you refusing to leave? Yes or no?
Am I going to be arrested if I don't leave?
Oh my God, dude, are you refusing to leave? Yes or no?
Well, I need to know the consequences if I stay.
This seems like you're refusing to leave to me.
I have no reason to leave,
Do you
sir.
understand? I'm not trying to challenge your rights. I'm not trying to make your life
But
more
you-
difficult. I don't want you
You
to
are, sir.
cry at night in bed because I told you to leave the post office.
Can I tell you something? I was born in a country that they oppress people. We came here as immigrants for freedom. So I can't leave this place.
Okay. My
For-
parents
my-
are from Mexico. So
Exactly. But I came to this country for freedom. I know better to come in here than disturb everyone, sir. I think you know that.
Okay.
People react to me. I have no control over that. I'm not baiting them. I don't have a sign on my shirt that says bug me or anything, sir. But I came to this country for freedom, and I can't give that freedom up.
Okay.
I have the whole thing on video. I haven't disturbed anybody. People have gotten upset at me, yes. And I am really honest with them. They ask me what I'm doing. I say I'm video recording.
Okay.
I've never got close to that machine. I haven't got in line. The only response I give to people is when they
This isn't a black and white situation. The videographer has the right to film in public, but it's understandable why others feel uncomfortable. The police are responsible for maintaining order. But were they too rigid in their approach? This is a classic example of the conflict between individual rights and social order.
You go to a bank, there's people with credit card machines by the bank. What
Not to get-
does this accomplish in life with you? Is this how you display your freedoms in America? I mean, there's so many other ways to do it.
Okay, so
And I get it. You're going to go post this video on YouTube. You're probably going to get a bunch of likes.
I don't know if
You're
I'm gonna
refusing
post
to
it.
show people your cool beard and your cool glasses. You don't
Well,
want to
this is part of my religion. If I had a hijab on, you wouldn't be pressuring me to take it off.
No, I'm not. I don't want to take it off. I don't want you to take it
Yeah.
off at all. I just want you
Yeah.
to show people your beard. That's part of your religion.
This is part of my religion.
Okay. Okay.
So I came from a very oppressed country, and I was told when we came to this country we have freedoms,
Yeah.
and I'm just exercising my freedoms. So when a woman goes to vote, I'm not going to go out there and harass her. I don't like what you're doing. You can't vote because she has a right to vote based on the
nothing to
Constitution.
do.
People are uncomfortable with what I'm doing, but I have a constitutional right to be
How long have
here.
you guys been here?
Been at this post office? I don't know. I lost track of time now because
Okay.
I've been recording you
Well,
for.
I've had plenty of calls before this about you being here. I said, cool. Guys are in the lobby filming. There's nothing wrong with that.
Yeah.
And I started getting calls about people getting cut off in line, people trying to use a credit card.
I haven't-
worried about you being filmed, you raising your voice. I've heard 2 calls of you guys raising your voice and yelling at people.
I haven't
That's
yelled.
a problem. That's a disturbance. That's violating Code of Federal Regulations for post offices. And I clearly read everything to you.
I haven't
And
raised
again,
my
I'm
voice.
not going to
Sir.
enforce that, but that is a violation. What I
I
am
get it.
enforcing is that you need to leave. And
No.
I don't understand why you can't just leave.
Because I came to this country and I became a U.S. citizen for freedom, sir.
Good for you, and I'm very proud of that. I'm proud of this country.
But I can't. I would love to give. You seem like a nice guy. You're not an a-hole cop or whatever. But I can't. I would. It's like I might as well go back to my country. But because somebody's don't.
Is that what you want to do?
No,
Okay.
I like the freedoms here. My
Why
voice
don't
was.
you go back there with them?
Why don't I go back there? You're here.
Why don't you stay away from the credit card machine? I bet I won't get any more calls if you just stay away from the credit card machine.
I was never near that machine,
You're near it right now.
sir. The only reason I was recording
It's
the
common
woman.
sense, man. I don't want anyone near me. I don't want you this close to me with the camera.
I mean,
you know how
you're-
many credit card fraud cases I take for stuff like this? That makes me
I
very
have.
uncomfortable.
You're assuming.
That's clearly a violation of Code of Federal Regulations.
If I was doing that, yeah.
Yeah.
I wasn't recording any credit
You're
card
like
information.
10 feet from the credit card machine.
Sir, I love you.
I'm trying to be reasonable, right?
Sure.
I'm a human being. Why don't you just stay away from the credit card machine? I bet people won't call if you're doing that.
Sir, I'm not next to the machine. The lady had people covering her because she was paranoid.
So how long did you say you were gonna be here? 10 more minutes if I left? It's almost 10 more minutes.
When you're gone, I have nothing. Like I would have probably been gone by now.
Okay.
Like I don't stay here
How
all
much longer are
day.
you gonna be here?
5-10 minutes after you leave. But the thing is, I can't leave because I'm forced to. It's like saying I don't like her hair color. It's making me uncomfortable. Does she have to leave? I respect what you're doing.
Well,
I
you're
totally.
wrong. I'm not gonna arrest you. because I don't want to cause a scene. I don't want you to feel your rights are violated.
Right.
I don't want to mess with your really cool beard and your really cool glasses.
I appreciate it.
All right. That is not my goal. My goal is to maintain order. My goal is to enforce the penal code. My goal is to be reasonable.
I get it.
My goal is to respect people's rights.
I appreciate it. Yes.
But I will maintain order. When people are reporting what they're reporting, which is making them uncomfortable, when people are saying that you are yelling at, not you in particular, I don't know if it's you or your partner, but when that's being reported to me, yes, I will maintain order. I'm not going to stand down and not do my job. Okay?
Right.
And that's something else maybe you need to understand about America, because there is rule and order. All right.
I get
There's
it.
freedom, but you can't just do whatever you want. All right. So welcome to America. All right. It's not just a big free for all. It's lollygagging. You can just walk around, make people uncomfortable, film on a credit card machine. If you want that, find a different country, man. I don't know what to tell you.
Sir.
My parents are immigrants. My parents are from Mexico. They work really hard to become citizens. They work really hard to come here. All right?
I totally
This
get
has
it.
nothing to do with your nationality. No one's looking at you, pointing at you, laughing because they think you're from a different country. They're here calling us because they are uncomfortable with what you're doing. All right? And you're causing a disturbance based on what they're saying.
I'm
all right?
not,
So
sir.
I'm going to leave. Because clearly this is going to keep going. I don't want to arrest you. I just want you to leave. All right. So I'm going to leave, and maybe I'm guessing, I'm hoping you'll leave within.
Knowledge of the law is power. This situation reminds us that knowing our rights can help prevent unnecessary conflicts. At the same time, freedom comes with responsibility. If we exercise our rights wisely and respectfully, things will work out much better for everyone.
Yeah.
Record.
What's up, buddy?
What do you want?
Any weapons in the vehicle?
What do you want?
You have weapons in the vehicle?
You just pulled me over. What do you want?
Absolutely.
What'd you stop me for?
What's up?
Why did you stop me?
I'll explain that in a second. You have your weapons in the vehicle. I make sure the scene's safe first.
You need to tell me why you stopped me.
What's that?
You need to tell me why you stopped me.
Yeah, I'll explain that in a second to you.
No, you need to tell me right now. You just detained me on the side.
A high-tension encounter. When the police stop a driver without a clear reason, he pushes back hard. Is this about defending rights or just provoking an argument?
You're going to tell me why you stopped me before I ask any questions. Answer any of your questions.
Fair enough.
You know who I am?
That is your voice.
Oh.
Okay.
So why are you asking if I have weapons if you know who I am?
I can't see what you have going on your lap down there. That's why.
If you know who I am, you know I don't have any weapons. So why are you asking me? Right?
Are you able to answer that question for me yet or no?
Roll this window down.
You don't got to roll it down.
Roll this window down.
You don't have to.
For what? What did he do? He's just a
Provide your
passenger.
ID for me, Chris, real quick?
Yeah, it does.
You better tell me why.
It's not for him. He got
Right
pulled.
now.
You
I
didn't
can,
pull this
I'll
one.
explain you eventually.
You'll explain to me eventually. I want to know why I'm stopped. I didn't break any laws. You see this dash cam right here? See that? I don't have to answer questions. You know what the Fifth Amendment is?
Stand by with me.
Hey, I just want you to understand that for a traffic stop, when we ask, if a police officer asks you if there's any weapons, you have to say if you have weapons or not.
Do you know what the Fifth Amendment is?
Okay, all right, I want you to understand.
Do you know what the Fifth Amendment is? Hit the like button, you guys. Share this. Hey, so this cop back here that's standing here is the one that was following me a few months ago in this truck. What's your name and your badge number? Huh?
Who, mine?
Both of yours, yeah.
Piso 21681.
Why are you ignoring me and he answered?
I didn't know you were asking me, bro.
Cop watch, guys. We know who we are and we're still with us. You guys ain't smart, right? Hey, hit him with the light. Where's my light at? Shine him with the big one. Keep shining me with light.
The thing is, there's passing traffic. You don't have any weapons. You didn't answer. Looks like you have.
Do your plain view search. I don't have to answer questions.
Well, you have a freaking wrench right next to you, man.
So what? There's tools all over this truck. This is a work truck. Oh my God, this is great. Look, he's talking about a wrench. Here, shine your light on the wrench. Shine your light on the wrench so my son can see it. Look at that. I got a dangerous wrench right there.
Can that be dangerous or not, man? You answer me that question, bro. We don't answer questions.
I don't answer questions. Oh, I have that footage too, so this is going to be great when I cut this all together.
That's fine. You thought your license was suspended still, right?
My license ain't suspended.
Not anymore.
It hasn't been.
Know the law to protect yourself. This video captures a heated standoff between a driver and the police. No matter who's right or wrong, it's crucial to understand your rights to avoid being taken advantage of or unintentionally breaking the law.
You have insurance registration for your vehicle, Mr. Christopher?
I sure do, but guess what? I don't have proof of my insurance on me, so you're gonna have to write me a no display of insurance ticket, or whoever pulled me over here.
Do you have it on your phone, like an app or whatever?
Nope, just write my ticket. I'll take the ticket, I'll go to court, because this is how I get you guys in more deep. We're gonna play the game. Say hi to everybody. These are your super fans.
Super fans, huh?
Yeah.
I think they're your super fans, man. They're your fans.
They're my fans?
Yeah, that's how you make them, right?
Only when you guys do this. If you would have just ignored me, I wouldn't be getting paid right now.
That's fine, dude.
Genius.
You do
It took them a whole minute and a half.
Do
to
what for a
respond.
reason? Drive
Whatever
through.
you do.
What did I do?
Get attention for people. Make rich.
Get attention by driving my truck?
Is that
I pulled you
fuzzy?
over that one time? I didn't, right?
You were going to.
You know, I did.
You wanted to.
I wanted to, so now you know my intentions, right?
Oh, shit.
You know what I'm gonna do before I do it.
So I'm letting you guys know right now, you got 20 minutes to write my ticket.
Mr. Ruff,
Hmm.
do you still live off 22nd or do you live off Palomino?
I mean, whatever you got on my ID is what's on there.
Alright.
Looks like we get to go to court again. You know the judges are getting tired of you guys sending me in there. You don't care.
Who are they gonna get tired of first?
You. Because they're not going to be pushing your cases through anymore, which puts you guys liable for shit like this. We're just doing our job. Don't play flashlight games. I got a beast flashlight. You won't be able to see.
We got the whole force out here, bro. Just about.
I'm special. I get special treatment. Hey, so I need everybody's name and badge number.
Ask them yourself, man.
No.
That's not how it works.
That's not how it works.
That's not how it works.
Everybody's detained me. I need everybody's, especially yours.
Then bring your lieutenant over here right
You got a
now.
card on you?
Bring your sergeant over here for it.
Give me your card.
Oh, is that you?
Give me your card. You know your policy, right?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, so give me your card. If you have one, give it to me.
We're not done yet. You'll get it.
Do you have it on you?
I don't know.
You don't know? We're not done yet, so I don't get his card yet, even if he has it on him. He said he doesn't know, so it would have been easier to just say, no, it's in my car. But since he said, I don't know, he probably has it on him. He's just being a jackwagon. Good job, officer. Instead of making me look like the a-hole, you just continue to do it to yourselves. I'm live right now. These people are seeing it for themselves. Hundreds of thousands of views. Your department gets so many phone calls, they hate you.
A highly controversial situation. The driver has every right to question why he was stopped, but officers also have a duty to maintain safety. Challenging authority can expose misconduct, but it can also escalate the situation. The key is staying calm and knowing the law to protect yourself effectively.
Small group. There's cliques inside of the Mesa Police Department. There's ones that'll play ball, and then there's ones that won't play ball. These are the ones that'll play ball. These are the ones that'll play ball. They'll write shitty reports. They'll lie. They'll say that things happened, didn't happen. See that touch of the face right there? That's a, you know, that's something he can't hide, but it's, oh, nervous. You ain't touched your face this whole time, and then you just did right now. You're an idiot, dude. It's called body language. I've been paying attention to your body.
This is the first time I actually talked to you.
I don't need to talk to you before.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You've never talked to me before.
I don't need to talk to you before. You're all the same.
Before.
I've dealt with this idiot too many times.
Oh, I know I have to.
Like doing. It gets more.
Hey, tell him what you think about him in the chat right here. Am I an asshole or is he an asshole? She got to see the tyranny for herself.
She's like mumbling.
Do you smell bacon?
Burnt bacon.
We got
Heard that one before.
We got 9 more minutes here, fellas. So I'm gonna be charging $1,200 a minute after this detainment here. Wow, yeah. Sounds funny, right?
Tax-free?
Hey, just giggle for me. Give me a little giggle. Give me a little giggle at how funny you think that is.
Tax-free? Like you get straight $1,200 for
We're-
a 10-minute video?
We're contracting. No. Me and you are contracting. So after my 20-minute detainment that you're allowed for a traffic stop to write a ticket, it becomes $1,200. And shut up and let me finish talking. It becomes $1,200 a minute.
Exactly. There's a reasonable amount of time it takes to write the citation.
Dude, you guys are so dumb. You know the Supreme Court's already ruled on what a reasonable amount of time is, right? Are you really going to try and have this argument with me? You guys know who I am. You think I'm an idiot when it comes to the law? Exactly.
What does that mean to me, man?
Look, somebody just sent me $10. Come on, say my name. It sounded cute.
Thinking of something to say.
I know some. I see some gang stripes.
No, it's
and...
not.
There you go, sir.
Where's my ticket?
You're not getting a ticket, Tim.
What? Come on, man. Please write me a ticket. I need their cards, though. I need cards.
Good thing I recognize your voice.
What do you mean, good thing you recognize my
What's
voice?
that supposed
Yeah,
to
what's
mean?
that mean?
So I'm gonna give you a break
Cops
today.
explain that. Come on.
Drive safe.
Come on, give me a ticket, please. Please?
Did the floodlights. So
We don't
We
answer
don't
questions,
answer
bro.
questions.
oh god.
But we're gonna keep doing it. So if you want to pull me over again, you could do it again. I'll take it. Just write me the ticket. Come on.
Stop. That's a good thing.
I'll always stop. I'll never run.
No, you're good.
I don't have any ill will or violence towards you guys. This is excellent. You took the bait, bro. You took the bait. You realize that? You took the bait like all the other idiots. Come on, don't do that. Don't do that. You got offended because somebody shined a flashlight at you and you followed us. And then you pulled me over for some bit and I got it all on dash cam and I'm going to post it tomorrow and show everybody just how wrong you are. So I would advise not pulling me over in the future because you pay me every single time you do it.
Your rights are not weapons. They're shields. This video reminds us that knowing your rights can prevent abuse, but using them confrontationally may escalate situations. The key is understanding when to push back and when to cooperate, ensuring you protect yourself wisely.
Bring your hands on your back for me. Bring your hands on your back. Bring your hands on your back.
Why?
I want to he's going. How you doing, Sergeant Weaver, the Sheriff's Office? Is there anyone in the back seat? Okay. You have your license, registration, proof of insurance on you?
Where's the thing on?
Dispatch has been updated.
Why am I getting pulled over?
Lots of things, okay?
What?
Speeding, not using your turn signal when you were going from the right to the left lane. You were following that car in front of you too closely at 57 miles an hour.
No, I was not even going 57 at all.
Okay.
have an eye appointment at 2:45. I have to be there.
Okay. Were you in a rush or something?
Yes, I'm in a rush.
Okay. Maybe that's why you were speeding. You have your ID on you, bud?
Yeah. Oh my God, it's at 2:45. So.
Where at?
All the way on Orange Avenue.
In what city?
Daytona.
Daytona.
Yeah.
Where's what? How you doing, Deputy?
Hello, how are you?
Mind doing a walk for me?
Sure.
Appreciate it.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, my name's Deputy Bosler, Fayette County Sheriff's Office. All right, I'm with the K9 unit. All right, a few questions for you guys. In the car, should be in the car. Nothing illegal. Fine.
Late, dude.
Where are you going?
My eye appointment at 2:45.
Okay. All right, are there any firearms in the car? Explosives? Are there any drugs of any kind? Okay.
From a simple traffic stop to an intense arrest, the police pull over a car for minor infractions, but things escalate fast when AK-9 detects something suspicious.
That's all the way up. So, is the vehicle turned off? Can you turn the vehicle off for me? All right, stay in the car, okay?
He's sweating bullets.
You still haven't, like, told me why I was getting pulled over.
I gave you 3 different reasons why you were getting pulled over. There was one car separating you at 57 miles an hour up here on 100. So, now leave the window up so it doesn't jump through the window. That would be a stupid thing to put the window down. That's why he had you put the windows up so the dog doesn't jump in the window. Huh? Can't hear you.
Why would he jump through the window?
Because it's a dog. What do you think? It's a canine. It's to prevent you from getting bit, right?
He was alerting all, he was waiting for a final. All right. So, my K9 alerted the vehicle. Okay.
It's not.
Okay.
We have it all on video.
Okay. As do we.
I'm going to
Okay.
be late, dude.
So, if nothing in the vehicle,
There's nothing.
she'll probably get you a warning, get you out of here, okay?
Thank you.
So, no need to worry about it.
If you have a female deputy around,
My license back?
It is back? Oh, we're not done with you yet. Go ahead and step out of the car for me.
Hey, man.
Step out of the car.
You just said we were good to go.
I did not say you're good to go. I said step out of the car.
step out of the vehicle. Keep yours on for right now.
Come back here. My K9 alerted the vehicle. Okay.
We watched the whole
You
thing.
use drugs or does he use drugs? No one uses drugs? No drug history at all?
History, yes.
History, yes.
Anything illegal on
I
you?
got a knife in my pocket.
Okay, don't
Throw
grab
it in the car.
Nope, don't grab it.
Is that's your wallet?
Yeah.
Is there anything in there that shouldn't be in there?
No, you want to go put it back?
Sure.
When a routine traffic stop turns into a drug investigation, the driver insists they had no knowledge of the drugs in the car, but the police believe they have enough reason to detain them. A classic case of driver responsibility under the law.
No.
Threw a lit cigarette down.
In front of my car. Stay in front of my car.
Christ. You want me to eat it?
What?
I don't have
Well, if you throw a lit cigarette on the ground, you can be arrested for it. That's what I'm telling you.
Hey, over here. No, over here.
Why?
You're about to go in handcuffs.
She can go for throwing the lit cigarette if she wants to go to jail.
I was never speeding at all.
I didn't stop you for speeding.
He did.
You are free to record from right there.
We're allowed to see them while they're going.
You can stand right here and watch them from right here.
I can't see.
Okay, well, it'll be on his.
I'm missing my eye appointment.
Okay, it's on his camera. Okay.
Bring your hands on your back for me. Bring your hands
Why?
on your back. Bring your hands on your back.
Why?
No one's saying he's going to jail. No, leave it there. Let go.
You are
Cage.
testing us. Okay.
Throw her in cuffs.
Listen to me.
Hey, throw her in cuffs. Throw her in cuffs, too.
Put your hands behind your back.
Gross.
At this point, not under arrest. Put that on the hood. Put that on the hood. Here.
We got keys.
I told you. My K9 alerted the vehicle of narcotics. Are you a K9 handler? That's why we're searching your vehicle. Okay. You guys are being put in handcuffs for now.
What am I going to jail for?
Who said you're going to jail?
You just put me in handcuffs, sir.
You're being detained. Because there's a lot of narcotics in the vehicle.
Oh my God.
We have a female deputy coming. So if there's anything on you that you shouldn't,
I think
I'm just saying, I'm giving you a heads up now.
on me.
Okay.
Yeah, you ain't going to make that appointment. If someone else gets here, I'll pull it out and show you everything. You're driving a vehicle with a bunch of narcotics in it, so you're responsible.
Hey, leave the phone alone. We're done with the phone for right now.
How? I need to call somebody.
We'll get to all that, okay? In the meantime, phone time's gone, alright?
Can you get him for a minute?
What did I say?
I'm allowed to use my phone.
You're not. You're being detained right now. You get to do what we said. And what we're telling you right now is to hang tight and leave your phone alone. That's what you're being told to do, okay? Simple as that.
Like, we're saying different things. Like you said, we're good to go, and we don't never even alarmed anything.
He didn't alarm?
And he didn't do nothing on the car.
Well, they're not trained to alarm at anything either, so that works out. Just stop trying to fight it, okay? We can fight it in court. That's how.
Hey, can you come here? I got a ton of dope. All right, thanks.
Search me. Come step right over here.
What, you and Hunter? Florida. Focus, you and golf. Search. You put one on him. Alright, sorry. There, we can.
Huh?
Take both of them.
I don't know yet.
A highly controversial case. The police have the right to search when a K-9 alerts, but does this violate privacy rights? The driver may be innocent, but by law, they are responsible for what's in the car. This is the thin line between law enforcement and protecting civil liberties.
So ask him, you have anything on you?
You got anything on you that's gonna poke me, stick me, stab me, hurt me? You got anything concealed inside you?
No.
Anything on her or no?
No. I guess
That you found? Do you have like slides in the car? Sandals?
That's it. Yeah.
All right, have a seat in the car. I got a bunch of testing and stuff I got to do. All right, Kira, listen to me. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. Exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you?
Yes.
Yes?
You know why I'm going to jail?
No one said you're going to jail, but you're detained and you're not free to go, okay? You're the one driving the vehicle and it's got a bunch of narcotics in it. So, both of you guys were moving a ton when I pulled you over. Both of you were. So, okay. Well, if you saw anything when you were getting pulled over, you need to tell me now. Because you're in control of that vehicle, which means you're responsible for everything. You ain't going to make it.
You said I was.
Yep.
I'm not.
Nope, you ain't going to make that.
Said I was.
You can put her in your car.
Sure. Alright, grab my phone.
Wait a minute.
I need to know my dad's phone.
Can you guys finish going through the car for me? There's a backpack, and I didn't finish the driver's side yet. I did.
I know, I'm just double checking. Alright.
Fingerprints going to be on any of those bags?
No.
Your DNA?
No.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're going to let her go down for all of it?
You got me on it?
It's not yours?
No.
Okay. None of that's yours?
No.
He's saying it's not his, so that means you're going to be charged with it all.
It's not mine.
You're driving the vehicle, you're
It is
responsible
not
for it.
mine.
Well, if you saw someone hiding it or someone when you're getting stopped, then you need to tell me. Because he's saying it's not his, so that means it's yours. 'Cause
It's
you're
not
driving.
mine.
I'm telling you, though.
It's not my shit.
By the law, you're driving, so if he doesn't admit to it, it's yours.
No.
That's the way the law works. You're
Well,
driving the
it's not
vehicle.
mine.
Okay, so you're going to be arrested for all of it.
Who's got the record?
Doesn't matter who's got the record. You're not telling me anything. You're saying it's not yours.
Well, it's his.
You're telling me that it's his.
Yeah.
Huh? Did you see him put it in there when you were getting pulled over, or
I
what?
was too busy driving.
That doesn't help me at all. You're just saying it's his. I don't know what that means.
It ain't mine.
Okay, well, you're going to be charged with it because he's saying it's not his.
It's not mine.
Yeah.
No,
Okay. You're going to be arrested for it.
I just said it was not mine. It's his.
I understand that, but you're not telling me how it's his. You're just saying it's not yours,
How
it's
is
his.
it mine? I cannot be charged with that.
You're driving a vehicle. You're.
In her bag?
So do you have anything to back up your proof saying that it's not yours and that it's his?
That my record's not like
I don't go
this.
by records. Can't run people's
You should.
records.
Yes,
Well, I
you
can't.
can.
No, not until they're under arrest.
Sergeant Weaver?
A little bit of reefer.
Is that in hers?
Yeah, it's
It was in her brown bag.
reefer.
All right, come back here. No, if you're driving, unless you have anything to back it up, you're getting charged with all the drugs that we found.
No.
Daylight. Hey.
Back camera. I'll check it.
I get in charge with all of that shit.
Because, like I said, he's saying it's not his.
It's not mine.
Well, you're the one driving, so you're...
Know the law to protect yourself. This video is a reminder that when you're driving, you must be aware of everything in your vehicle. If you have passengers, always ensure you're not unknowingly caught in legal trouble. Understanding the law can help you avoid situations like this.